To all of the guests here today, I would like to greet each and everybody. And of course, I would like to tell everybody, congratulations for being here. I think you deserve a big warm round of applause. Palakpakan niyo po yung mga sarili niyo for being here today. Welcome, welcome to the Butterfly Enchanted Garden birthday party, the very first birthday party of Kaylia. Palakpakan naman po natin yan. It's technically it's a weekend, pero still may mga nagtatrabaho pa. Sa mga nandito ngayon, sino po yung mga nag-leave? Taas ang kamay. Na kailangan nasa work sila ngayon. Yung mga nag-leave, taas ang kamay. There they are. Yung mga walang pasok today, swerte kayo. Pero yung mga nag-leave, naku, maraming salamat. Thank you so much for being here. You should have, went to work, pero pinili po niyo nandito ngayon. So this day is very special for the family of KK. You guys, the few over here, you were chosen to witness this very first occasion in the life of KK. Now, each and everybody here tonight or today, do you promise that we will make this event memorable for KK? Thank you so much. Of course, the little kids nandito ngayon, do you want to win some prizes? There they are. Do you want to get some candies? Yes. Do you want to do a little dancing here later? Yes, syempre. Of course, the kids nowadays, alam nyo na ang influence ng TikTok. Later on, probably these kids, they know some TikTok dances. We're gonna invite you guys for a little dancing later. And syempre, yung mga mommies and daddies natin, you're gonna join us later with some few games. We're gonna have fun. Today or tonight is just full of fun. So please do stay with us until the very end of our program. I think it's much better if we start with our program with a short opening prayer to be led by Miss Glyza Marie Masbate. May I please call Miss Glyza? Please stand up, ladies and gentlemen and kids, and join us with our opening prayer.
Everyone, let us all bow our heads and feel the presence of the Lord. In the name of the Son and the Holy Spirit, amen. Dear Lord, thank you for this beautiful opportunity to gather here today to rejoice with the celebrant of this joyous occasion of first birthday of our dear one KK. We give you thanks for the gift of life, for your goodness and good health of mind and body. Thank you, Lord, for keeping everyone here, hale and hearty, to celebrate with the celebrant on this lovely day. May each and everyone present here today always have a reason for another to celebrate and be celebrated also. May today's celebration bring countless blessings to the family and everyone here today. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, amen.
Thank you so much, Miss Glyza Marie. Thank you so much, dear guests. You may now take your seats. I think Miss Glyza Marie deserves a big warm round of applause. Palakpakan naman po natin si Miss Glyza Marie for that beautiful prayer. Thank you so much, Miss Glyza, for kicking off with our program with a prayer. So today, tonight, like I said, wala po tayong ibang gagawin. We're gonna play some games. We're gonna have fun, and we're going to celebrate this first birthday of KK with a blast. Now, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, may I request each and everybody to stay with me until the very end. My name is DJ Robin of GV9 and 9.1 Your Good Vibes. Together with the Quality Events team, please be with us until the very end and celebrate this momentous occasion in the life and family of Kaylia. Let's now start with our program with a video presentation over here. Everybody, please focus your attention on our LED wall and let's watch this opening video of our beautiful KK. Ladies and gentlemen, it is right to meet them now as we start in calling the beautiful family of Kaylia. Ladies and gentlemen, I think it is right na makilala natin ang mga kapatid po ng ating beautiful celebrant, the Handsome Brothers, starting off with the Handsome Brother number 1 about... Where is he here right now? Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman natin the first brothers, Samuel and Cloud, the brothers of our beautiful KK. Ayan. I have some brother, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, this time, let's now meet. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request everybody to please stand up as we welcome the picture over here. Samuel, please wait for your family as we welcome the reason why we're gathered here, together with the proud parents. And of course, the other brother. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Daddy Clark, Mommy Sheila, Cloud, and of course, Kaylia Maria Valencia-Gulo. Palakpakan naman namin the beautiful Sakula family. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the beautiful family of KK! Palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise! Woo! Now, Samuel, you guys are complete. Once again, make some noise for the beautiful family of KK! Daddy Clark, Mommy Sheila, Samuel, Cloud, and of course, Kaylia! Once again, palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen, KK and the rest of the family. Woo! Thank you so much, dear guests. You may now take your seats. Little kids also, you may now take your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, formally, may I present to you the beautiful family of Kaylia. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Family picture po. Oh, Kelly, please help us out here. All right. Please, eyes on the camera. All right. Thank you so much, dear guests. I want you to keep that energy hanggang mamaya, ha? All right. This time, may we pass the microphone to the beautiful mother and the handsome father. Is there anything you would like to tell our guests here tonight? Please make this as your welcome message to all of the people who attended the birthday of KK. Palakpakan naman po natin si Daddy Clark.
First of all, wait, happy birthday.
Siya?
Okay. Anyways, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much po sa mga relatives, friends, katrabaho po namin na talagang nag-effort kahit malalayo or mainit. Talagang nakita namin yung effort, especially may mga nakita ko parang mayroong magbe-best dress ata eh. May pang Viva Max, may nakita ko. Nasaan na ba yun? But anyway, thank you po sa lahat na nag-attend and sana po mag-enjoy kayo. For the kids, especially the kids, may mga prizes tayo. For adults naman, may mga surprises din tayo, ha? Sana po matapos po ninyo yung party. Thank you so much.
Mommy Sheila, is there anything you would like to say? Ayan, Mommy Sheila, may sasabihin ba?
I would like to thank all of you for coming to KK's first birthday. Sa mga relatives namin galing Bicol pa and sa mga ka-office mates and friends ko, kahit malayo, nakapunta kayo dito sa amin. Welcome and let's enjoy the night and let's stay up until the end. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman natin Daddy Clark and Mommy Sheila and Samuel Cloud. So this time, may I request our beautiful family, you may now mingle with your guests. It's time for you to roam around and meet and greet your guests because we're going to move on with some prizes to give away to our little kids. Kasali din po yung mga adults natin, mga mommies and daddies natin sa mga games natin, ha? Okay, siguro, how about an icebreaker game? Why don't we play, it's a brand new game po. Bagong-bago siya. Ang tawag ay Bring Me. Okay, bagong-bagong game. Alright, so all of the mommies and daddies, ha? I-prepare nyo na po yung mga bags ninyo as I call the first Bring Me. Kids, Okay, this also, siya yung pangalawa. Bigyan natin. Alright. You want this? Akin na lang? Alright. Congratulations. Next, bring me. Baby, yung 10 peso mo. Oh, Miss Tina, sa'yo na lang daw. For my next, bring me one piece ATM machine po, machine. Machine po ang hinihingi ko. Naku! Sabi ko, machine eh. Okay, isa lang po. Ito na, si Mommy. What's the name of baby? What's your name, baby? Congratulations, Mommy! Sige, bigyan na natin. Talagang naano ako. Ang cute. What's your name? What's your name, baby girl? Hi. What's your name? Ay, naku! Naku, akin. Halika dito. What's your name? What's your name? Adri. Kanino ATM yan? Where's Mommy? Raise your hand, Mommy. Mommy. Ask Mommy. Mommy? Ask Mommy.
Mommy, what's the pin code?
What's the pin code po, Mommy? Oh! Mommy! What's the name of Mommy?
Ana Cecilia.
Mommy Anna, happy birthday po. Today pala. Mommy, ano po yung pin code natin? Joke lang. Congrats! Happy birthday po! Palakpakan naman natin si Mommy. She's celebrating her 18th birthday today. Let's stop counting at 18. Alright, moving on. Bring me isang picture po na family picture po ninyo na nasa cellphone. The very first na magbibigay. One piece family picture that's on your cell phone. Come on, show it to me. Family picture, family. Let me see. Family, she's the first one. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Ayan, okay na. Ayun. Alright, moving on. Bring me one piece. Isang piraso na white hair. One piece white hair. Naku mga lola, magtago kayo. Oh, ang galing. Congratulations. What's your name? Yes, galing. Let me see the white hair. Okay, pahingin ng price. Ayan. Okay, kanino mo galing to? Who gave this to you? Ay, sister. Okay, I'll give you 1,000 pesos. Ibalik mo siya. Joke lang. Congratulations! Moving on. Next, bring me a cell phone na walang camera. No camera. A cell phone that has no camera but has Wi-Fi. Wow, lahat may camera ang cellphone. Sino pang may dala ng mga basic phone? Wait, Miss Tina, wala. Oh my God, one cellphone that has no camera. Wala. Okay, how about one cell phone na meron, ay eto, patingin. Ay, just, let me see, wala bang camera to? Sige. Sige, okay na to. Basic phone. Congratulations, sir! Ayan, thank you! We have one, finally! Okay, give me, just, dito, strict tayo isa lang. Isang picture na kasama po si Baby KK! One picture na kasama si Baby KK! Ayan! 1, 2! Pakita po! Kasama si Baby KK? Yes! Patingin! Okay, fine! Dalawa! Parang ngayon lang yan, mama. Congratulations! Okay, this time, I want one piece. Isang peraso po. Expired license. Expired driver's license. Anybody? Expired driver's license. Come on. Malapit na. Yung sa inyo malapit na. Wala po bang na-expired before I accept Anyone who's bringing an expired one. Expired. Kailan po may expire to? Ayan. Let me see. Miss Tina, expired na ba? Yes, mukhang expired na siya. 2018 pa to, no? Oh, yan. Congratulations! Ba't dala-dala pa? Ba't dinadala pa? Ayan. Next, bring me. I need not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4. I need 5 beautiful mommies. Bring me your beautiful mommies. Ayan. Ang lalakas ng loob. Pinring niya ang sarili. Mommies, you stay there. Ayan. Kayo po ba, binring me kayo or binring me yourself? Mommies, stay there. Mommies, you stay there. Ayan. Mommies. Go there. Doon po kayo, mommies. Ayan. Woo! Mami din po. Opo, okay lang po. Ayan, mommies. 5 na ba? 5 na ba? Ayan. Okay. Talaga naman, no? Bring me yourself yun eh. Bring me yourself. Okay, next. Bring me 5 din na macho, guwapong daddies! Come on! 5 macho, guwapo, ha? Oh, bring me yourself then, oh. Alright, come on. Bring me. Kayo po yung nag-bring me sa kanya? Ayan, kayo po ba? Sino yung mga Okay. Okay, ito 5 na ba? 5? 1, 2, isa na lang. Sino po? Bring me yourself na. Guwapo, macho, na tito, kuya, daddy. Eto na. O, pang 5 na to. O, bigyan nyo na ng prizes yung kids. Mommies, daddies, dito po. Stay po kayo sa stage natin. Ayan. Yung mga kids po, lapit na po sa ating coordinator. Bibigay po yung prizes nila. Alright, mommies, daddies, please stay here, daddies. Mommies, dun po kayo. Daddies, dito tayo. Ayan. O, bigyan ng premyo. Don't worry. This... Ay, may prize. Ayan. Mommy! Okay, wait lang po. Ayan. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, kids, have a seat na muna. Balita ko, isa po sa ating mga mommy ay medyo may dalawa daw sila. Pwedeng palitan po nung naka-maxi dress natin over there. The sister, come here. Substitute, sub. Halika dito. Sub mo si mommy kasi she has something inside. Yes, kasi, thank you. Mommy, sub mo si mommy. Ay, ate, okay, ate. Ay, mama mo na lang. Mama na lang daw. Please, bring your mom. Bring your mom here. Come here. Mommy, bring your mom here. Ayan. Wala, di nakatakas. Okay. The reason why I ask daddies and mommies here, kasi we will proceed with our next game. And this game is for the mommies and the daddies. Okay? Medyo interactive siya ng konti, kaya I ask mommy na pregnant na maupo. Kayo po yung magka-team niyan, ha? Team girls, team boys. And we will play what I usually call the game Picture Perfect. Magbibigay kami ng scenario, ako actually, and then i-re-enact ninyo. Do not use any props. Kayo mismo ang props. Okay? Kayo mismo ang props natin. Alright? Now, paano yung judging natin dito? Mga bisita, our judging on this game is you. Audience impact tayo. Okay? So you have to be keen in watching them, kung paano sila ka-creative, yung paano sila ka-resourceful, okay? We don't need any props. You yourself is the prop. Alright? I'll give you one situation or scenario. Give me a picture of a pageant or Miss Universe. Come on, pageant. pageant. Come on, ready, and trial pa lang to. Yes, practice. A pageant. Bigyan niyo ako ng picture or reenactment ng isang pageant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Sa mamis na muna ako. Sino po kayo?
Miss Philippines.
Miss Philippines. Kayo?
Miss Korean.
Miss Korea. Korean town. Miss?
Albania.
Albania. Miss?
Venezuela.
Venezuela. Okay. Si Mommy, Miss?
Miss Bicolandia.
Oh, Miss Bicolandia. I love it. Okay. Keep your picture. Keep your picture. Huwag niyo tatanggalin yung post nyo. Alright. Kayo po, Miss?
Mr. Clean.
Mr. Clean! Kayo po. Audience. Audience na lang si Sir. Ayan. Kayo po?
Mr. Universe.
Mr. Universe. Kayo po?
Mr. Pogi.
Mr. Pogi!
Wala po.
Wala. MC ka na lang, sir, no? Ayan. Okay, pero ganun siya. Did you get the thought? Nakuha nyo yung thought. Okay, eto game na talaga to, ha? Dapat naka-freeze, okay? Kaya si baby, dun muna si baby, alright? Kailangan naka-freeze kayo after 5 seconds, alright? Alright, let's do this. Our first picture. Give me a picture of playing basketball! Playing basketball! Ayan. Sino yung bola? Sino yung court? Ayan, yung mga ganon. Give me a picture. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Freeze! Okay, I'll start with the boys. Nagdadasal ata yung mga to. Ano pa to? Praise and worship. Okay, kayo po. Ano pong role nyo dito? Kayo ang?
Mag-rebound po kami, ma'am.
Ay, nag-re-rebound.
Defensive.
Ay, okay. Kayo po?
Tatapalan ko siya.
Tatapalan. Hindi kayo magka-team. Okay, kayo po?
Shoot.
Shoot.
Abangan ko yun.
Abangan. Okay, keep your pose. Okay, tignan nyo po, audience, kung okay pa sila, ha? Titignan natin ang girls. Girls, ikaw ang?
I'm the ring.
Oh, siya ang ring. Okay, you are the?
Forward.
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 Point guard.
Point guard.
Forward.
Forward din. Ay, puro forward. Okay, thank you, boys and girls. Sino, palakpakan lang ha, sino po ang para sa boys? Sino po ang para sa boys? Okay, sige. Sino po ang para sa girls? Oh, 1 point for the girls. Habol kayo ha. Boys, be creative. Alright? Next, give me a picture of a wedding. Kasal. Bigyan niyo ako ng picture na kasal sa simbahan. Come on. Ayan. Kasal sa simbahan. Mommies, daddies. Alright. Sino si bride? Sino si groom? Ayan. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Freeze! Okay, sa girls muna ako, ha? Uy, 1 point na ang girls, ha? Alright. Kayo po ang?
Ako po yung pare.
Uy, pare. Ayan. Kayo po ang?
Mga ring bearer.
Ring bearer. Ang laking ring bearer naman nito. Kayo po?
Flower girl.
Flower girl.
Groom.
The groom?
And the bride.
And the bride. Okay. Oh, ang ganda ng bride. Miss Universe na, ano pa, bride pa. Sir, kayo po? Ring bearer din.
Ako yung sa belo.
Uy, sa belo. So, nagsabay ang belo at saka ring. Okay.
Ako yung pare.
Kayo po yung pare. Sino pong bride? Mamaya natin malalaman kung sino yung bride. So, sila yung couple. Okay. Palakpakan lang, ha? Sino po para sa Team Girls? Okay. Sino po ang para sa Team Boys? Oh! Humabol! 1-1 ba? Gumaling sila sa wedding? Mahilig sa kasalang boys. Okay. Next situation. Pagkatapos ng wedding, anong susunod? Ay, honeymoon agad. Reception muna, di ba? Wag honeymoon. Ikaw matakaw sa honeymoon si Miss Tina. May kids tayo. Okay. Reception. Give me a picture na, ano po ba yung star sa mga handaan natin? Di ba ang lechon? Ayan. Give me a picture ng isang nililitsyon na baboy! Come on! Nasa reception na tayo. Yung lechon, nandiyan na. Come on! Let's do this! Woo! I wanna join you, pero boys lang. Ayan. Yung star ng handaan, di ba? Give me a picture yung nililitsyon ng baboy. Ayan, come on. Let's do this. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Girls muna tayo. Sige. Madam, parang alam ko na yung role mo. Kayo po ang
Lechon baboy.
siya po ang letsyong baboy. Kayo po ang paypay. Taga-ihip, sosyal. Paypay na, ay, sauce. Paglagay ng sauce. Kayo po ang
Nagtitimpla.
ay, siya. Akala ko siya po yung may-ari ng letsunan. Okay. Boys, kayo ang
Pinapahirap po yung lechon.
uy, sauce para masarap. Uy, taga-ikot. Taga-kurot to test if it's cooked na. And kayo, paypay. Social naman ang taga-paypay naman natin. Okay. Guest, sino po para sa Team Boys? Oh, pwede. Malakas. Sino po ang para sa Team Girls? Ay! Mas malakas ang boys, no? Okay. Mas malakas ang boys. 2 points na. Okay? Ito tiebreaker na tayo, Tiebreaker. Boys, kapag nakahabol sila, it's a tie tayo. Pero eto na. Pagkatapos ng reception, after ng reception, susunod na ang Sharon yan. Pagbabalot, no? Hindi. Susunod na ang pagkatapos ng honeymoon, nagka-baby na, di ba? Give me a picture na nasa hospital na nanganganak na si Mommy! Come on, let's do this! Ayan. Yes! Oh my God! The boys are so creative! Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, freeze! Okay, dito tayo sa girls. Madam, sino po sila?
Midwife po.
Uy, midwife, pero nasa kamay ang hawak. Nagwawala kasi pala si Mommy. Mommy, definitely you're the mom.
Yeah.
Yes. Kayo po?
Nurse po.
Kayo ang nurse. Kayo po?
Ako yung doctor.
Uy, may midwife na, may doktor pa, mayaman si Madam. And this one is the... Ay, she's the baby! Ito pala yung baby natin. Thank you! Boys, eto. Kayo po ang...
Tagapanganak.
Kayo po ang tagapanganak. Assistant.
May kasalanan.
Ikaw ang may kasalanan. Nurse. Okay. This time, sino po ang para sa Team Girls? Okay, malakas ang girls. Sino po ang para sa boys? Boys talaga. It's unfair. Walk out na yung mga Pero may consolation prize kayo, don't worry. Congratulations, Team Boys! Thank Thank you so much. Pabigyan naman ko ng prizes ng team boys natin. Ayan. Okay. Thank you so much. Ayan, baby. Ayan na si baby. Ay, picture muna pala. Mommy's picture with the parents po. Picture with the parents and KK. Ayan. Pasensya na, napagod kayo ah. Ayan, picture with the parents and KK. Alright. Thank you for being such a good sport, mommy and daddy. Alright, let's do this. Yung team girls, no? Yung baby, yung laki na. Kaya pala nagwawala si mommy. Okay, thank you, mommies and daddies. Alright. Next. Sa mga kids naman tayo. Let's have how many? 10. 10 kids. 10 kids. Come on. 10 kids. Ayan, 10 kids. 10 kids. And may I request the chairs to be, napapalagay sila dito. Ayan, 10 lang, 10. 1, 2, 3, 12. O, kaya ba yung 10? Kaya ba? Alright, let's do it. Okay. Oh, let's do this. Ayan. I think you know what to do. We're putting the chairs already. I think you know this game. Do you know this game? You have an idea already? Yes, they have an idea already. All right. Okay. So how many? Maybe a couple chairs pa? Maybe a couple of chairs pa? Ayan. I believe you know what to do here, right? Do not push each other, okay? Just dance around the chairs, all right? Okay, let's now play what we call the musical chairs, wherein you will be dancing around the chairs, and then after that, when the music stops, you have to sit on any of the chairs. The boy or girl left standing will be eliminated, okay? Hold hands kayo. Hold hands, ayan. Make a circle. Make a circle. Alright. Make a circle. Hawak kamay. Ayan. Please don't push each other, ha? Huwag kayong magtulak. Come on. Make it wide. You're gonna dance around the chairs. When the music stops, you will be sitting down on the chair. But if you are left standing, wala kayong nakitang chair, you will be eliminated. Alright? We're gonna start with the dancing over here, okay? How about Kuya? Let's play a music. Alright, dito tayo. Dance, come on. Alright. Dance.
Bizares Idol.
Fly high butterfly. Fly high butterfly. Fly high butterfly. Fly high.
Ayan. Sinong out? Sino yung out? I'm sorry. Okay, we will remove how many? 2. Okay, let's do this. Music, please. Oh! I'm sorry. Ayan. Okay. Out na si baby girl na matangkad. Alright, music please. Oh my God. Check natin. Let's check. Oh, I believe the boy in red stays. I'm sorry. Okay, 4 na lang. Alright, dance around. Music, please. Oh, si little girl. I'm sorry. Ay, 3 boys. Okay, siguro Ayan, these two chairs, yes, kailangan nandito na lang sila. Yes, yes. You'll be dancing around. All right, you'll be dancing around. Let's do this. And music, please.
Paru-paru G, paru-paru G.
Uh. I'm sorry. Ayan. Ito chill lang, no? Chill lang siya. Okay. Alright, sila na yung winners natin. Palakpakan naman natin yung mga winners natin. Grab your prize. Okay. This time, sino yung mga na-out? Sino yung mga na-out kanina? Tayo kayo. Come on, tayo para makakuha kayo ng prize. Yung mga na-out. Alright. Line kayo dito, yung mga na-out. Para makakuha kayo ng prize. No. We're gonna play another game. Yes, you're gonna be lining up here. Ayan. Sila yung mga na-out kanina, right? Kayo po yung na-out, no? Okay. Line up. Alright. Face the guest. Ayan. One line, face the guest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Raise your hand. Show of hands. Who are the English-speaking kids? Oh, out na po silang lahat. English speaking. This will be challenging for me. Okay. Our next game, I call it the Think Fast. All right? You have to think fast, okay? I'm going to be giving you categories. Like, for example, give me examples of colors. And then you're going to give me different kinds of colors. But make sure you do not repeat what your seatmate, yes, okay? If you repeat, I'll be giving you 3-second chance to think of another example, okay? Let's practice. Think fast. Let's start with, can we pause the music lang po? Ayan, thank you so much, Mr. DJ. Let's start with think fast. Give me examples of colors. Blue. Orange. Red. Pink. Purple. Light blue. Wow, Sayan. Ang deep. Red. Who said red already? You said red already. Anyway, that is just a sample. You have to listen to your seatmate. All right? Do not repeat. Okay, aside from red. Another example aside from red.
Orange.
Oh, may nagsabi na rin ng orange. Another example aside from orange.
Brown.
Brown.
Blue.
Who said blue? Somebody said blue already. White. Color. Black. Okay. Did you get the game already? All right. Okay. This time that's not a sample anymore. This is not a sample anymore. Let's play the game, all right? Think fast. Give me examples of vegetables. Gulay. Social. Marunggay. All right? Malunggay. Okay. Broccoli. Carrot. Squash.
Pumpkin.
Squash and pumpkin. It's some, I'll accept. Di masalang si DTI. Lettuce. I'm sorry. Gulay, vegetable.
Orange.
Vegetable. Not orange. I'm sorry. Vegetable. Chop suey. Linuto na niya yung gulay. Uy, gulay yun. Tatanggapin ko ang chop suey. Lettuce. It's given already. Another example. Tomato is a fruit.
Salad.
Salad. Ay. Salad. Chop suey, salad. Just, tatanggapin ko pa rin. Okay, this time, let's change the category. How about some fruits?
Orange.
Orange.
Apple.
Apple.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Banana.
Banana.
Tomato.
Tomato. I'm sorry. Fruits.
Grape.
Grapes. Fruits. Samples of fruits. Fruits. Ah, saling cut kasi siya. Ayan. Thank you. Alright. Lapit kayo dito. Ayan, para hindi na masyadong ano. Okay. Fruits. Isa pang fruits. Okay, let's change the category. Give me examples of trees. Trees, okay? Trees. Mga puno. Trees, come on, trees. Let's start with our boy here. Trees.
Mango.
Mango tree.
Apple tree.
Apple tree.
Nara tree.
Nara tree.
Oak.
Oak tree.
Nara.
Nara is given already.
Orange tree.
Orange tree. Tree. Puno. 1, 2, 3. Wala na siyang maisip. Thank you so much. I like her. I like chop suey. Okay? All right, next category. Give me some fishes in the ocean. Example, fishes in the ocean.
Tilapia.
Tilapia. Dali, nabigla ako. Nasa ocean ba ang tilapia? Tatanggapin ko na. Meron na.
Clownfish.
Clownfish. Bangus. Okay.
Fish.
Anong fish?
Oh.
Nemo. Another sample.
Fishball.
Fishball. I love. Uy, di ba nagsiswim naman ng fishball sa oil? I'll take that. Fishball.
Huh?
Fish. Examples of fish.
Goldfish.
What? A dogfish?
No.
Come on, fish.
Goldfish.
Goldfish. Fish.
Catfish.
Catfish. Hito. Okay, fine.
Clownfish.
Did you say clownfish already? Yes. Another sample. Big fishes. Shark. Paksiw. Actually, kanina bangus. Niluto na niya. Paksiw. Okay. Fish cracker. Yes. And you? Dolphin. Seryoso to, dolphin. Okay. Pufferfish. Sardinas. Nilata na niya. Fish. Whale.
Like the fish that is orange.
The fish that is orange. What's that fish?
I don't know, it's a fruit.
It's a food.
Century.
Tuna. Yes! Okay, masaya ako sa 5. Ako happy na ako sa 5. Winners na lahat sila! Congratulations! Ayan, oh my God. I like it. Tilapia, bangus, paksiw. Grabe. Is that the menu tonight? Okay, all right. Thank you so much. I like her. Century. Sarap ang century, ah. All right, let's do this. Ano ba yung susunod natin? Ay, naku. Parang gusto ko tong susunod natin. May konting interview po tayo kay Yaya Elsa, Yaya Rose, And Tito Idol, ayan, halik kayo dito. Ayan, fast talk tayo. Hi. Tito Idol, Yaya, Elsa, and Elsa? Yes, and Yaya Rose. Ayan, syempre, gusto ko marinig ko yung mga message ninyo muna kay Baby KK. Ano po yung message ninyo? Tito Idol and Yaya Rose. Ay, sino si Yaya Rose? Sino si Yaya Elsa? Ayan, Elsa? Lika dito. Lika dito. Alright, ano pong message nyo kay KK? Birthday message?
Hello. Happy birthday, KK. Sana mabait ka lang palagi and good health. Lang.
Ayan, Yaya Elsa? Ano message?
Happy birthday, KK.
Yun lang?
Sana, wag kang
Wag kang ano?
wag kang magkasakit.
Yes. Si Tito, anong message ni Tito kay KK?
Happy birthday, KK. Stay healthy and maganda lagi. Thank you.
Palakpakan naman natin si Yaya and Tito. But please stay on stage. Request po nila, I believe. Meron tayong performance. TikTok dances coming from Yaya and Tito! Yes! Alright. Let's do this! Palakpakan naman natin, Yaya Elsa, Yaya Rose, and Tito. Palakpakan naman natin, Tito. Sige lang, Yaya. Yaya Rose. Woo! Make some noise for Yaya Rose. For Yaya Elsa. Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Thank you. Please request for the mommy and daddy and KK to have a sit over here. Ayan, maupo muna ang ating mga yung parents po natin and KK as we proceed.
with us. Kay Papalo, be a good girl. Yes! Ngumiti. Sa wakas, 2 days na kami dito, ngayon lang ito ngumiti sa akin. Siguro, sasabihin niya, i-receive kita ko Papalo during my birthday. Yes? Oh, and, siyempre, be a good girl. Ha? Oh. Look, Papalo. Ay, very nice, okay? Happy birthday, KK. And look at Papalo. And siyempre, more birthdays to come. For the information of everybody, we came all the way to from Bicol para to join KK. Ay, Jesus Maria, just to join KK. So, again, good evening sa lahat. And I'm so happy with everybody. Again, thank you.
Thank you so much. Our next well-wish coming from a ninong naman this time. May I please call Ninong Estefano Masbate. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Ninong Estefano.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you po sa pagpunta nyo dito sa birthday ni KK. Happy birthday, KK. Wish ko lang po na maging good health and support natin po si KK, friends and family. Support natin si KK sa paglaki niya. Thank you po.
Thank you, Ninong. Moving on, our next Ninong. May I please call Ninong Raymond Marbella. Ayan, Ninong Raymond. Oh, Ninang! I stand corrected.
Inuragan ka sa akong girl. Hello everyone, my name is Riri, 22. Ay! Hello KK, happy birthday. I'll copy paste na lang sa gabos na message nila. Lahat na yon, ang hirap. Oh. Hindi ako sanay kasi. Actually, I'll copy-paste na ng baby ng lahat ng mga messages nila. So, keep up the good work. Kaya yan. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, this time, after the well-wishing, I think it is right we proceed to the part. Let's now begin to sing the happiest song in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, may I invite KK and the family to approach the beautiful cake. Let's start may I invite everybody to please stand up and let's sign and seal the celebration by singing the happiest song in the world. Kids, do you know the happiest song in the world? Yes, what is it? Happy birthday, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. DJ, everybody, let's now sing the happiest song in the world for KK.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Everybody, mas masaya! Make a wish before blowing your candle. All right, let's sign and seal by blowing the candle. Happy birthday! Palakpakan naman natin! KK on her first birthday. This time, may we pass the microphone to the parents? Ano po ang wish ni Mommy and Daddy for KK? Mommy and Daddy, what is your wish for KK?
Good health and palagi siyang mabait lang and may takot sa Diyos.
Daddy Clark?
Hi Kay, happy birthday. Wish ko good health palagi and sana kasing ganda mo si mami mo. And para happy palagi si Daddy. Kasi pag nakikita ko si mami, talagang love na love ko eh.
Oh!
So I hope be a good girl and day to day, sobrang happy kami talaga sa'yo. Happy birthday, anak. Love you.
Birthday, KK! Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman natin our celebrator, KK! Finally, she's won! This is the best part. It's dinner time. All right, but here's what's going to happen. We're going to have a photo op first together with the family of KK. After po natin magpa-photo op kasama ang family po, pwede na po tayong dumiretso sa buffet. Why don't we start with our first picture with all of the kids? All of the kids, our first picture as we begin with our next production. Kids, are you ready to meet some Disney princess and prince? They're here, yes. I don't know who's here, but please have a sit over there. And our Disney princess and prince are here to entertain you. Ayan, lahat ng mga kids po natin. Oh! Ariel, I don't know if Ariel is here. I'm not sure. Yes, but I believe that probably Ariel is here. Cinderella, probably. The prince from Snow White, I guess he's here. And Darna. I don't know if Darna is here. Hopefully. Okay, little kids, I can still see empty chairs. Wala na bang gustong umupo? All right, ladies and gentlemen, mommies, daddies, kuyas, titos, ates, and titas, and kids. Ladies and gentlemen, to entertain us from Disneyland, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome our little stars.
into the magic. It has never disappeared. All of your friends and families are here. So come in, join the fun. There's a place for everyone, where we laugh and play all day, coming home to Disneyland. Welcome back, it's been too long, to the place we all belong. Stepping back into the magic, coming home to Disneyland. Oh, we just can't wait to begin again, when the party gets to popping and we don't stop. To be with you here today as we celebrate the special day of our dear princess, Kalia. And now while everybody's enjoying every sip, every bite, and every moment shared with your family and friends, we'd like to invite you to sit back, relax, and to be our guests. Well, sure, mademoiselle. It is with greatest pride and deepest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. Now, we invite you to relax. Let us pull up a chair as the dining room proudly presents your dinner. Be our guest. Your guest, put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, sherry, and we provide the rest. Soup the door, hot hors d'oeuvres, while we are living to serve. Try the great stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me, ask the dishes. They can sing, they can dance. After Romish, listen to Royce. And the dinner who is never second best. Go on and fold your menu, take a glance, and then you'll be our guest. We are guests, be our guest. Beef ragout, cheese souffle, pie and pudding on Monday. We'll prepare and serve with flair, a culinary cabaret. You're alone and you're scared, but the banquet's all prepared. No one's really are complaining while the laughter is entertaining. I tell jokes, I do tricks with my fellow candlesticks, and it's all in perfect taste that you can match. Go on and lift your glass, you've on your own free pass to be our guest. If you're stressed, it's fine dining we suggest. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. Life is so unnerving for a servant who's not serving. He's not full without a soul to live upon. All those good old days when we were useful, suddenly those good old days are gone.
10 years we've been rusting, needing so much more than dusting, needing exercise, a chance to use our skills.
Most days we just lay around the castle, flabby, fat, and lazy. You won't get enough to daisy. It's our guest, sakes alive and die blessed. Once been put and thank the Lord, I've got the napkins fresh and fresh. But dessert, she wants tea. What can I do that's fine with me? While the cups do there's some chewing, I'll be bubbling, I'll be brimming. I'll get smart, I've been hot, and it sinks, it's not a thought. Clean it up, we want the company bread. We got a lot to do, is it 12 up or 2? For you are guest, she's our guest, be our guest, she's our guest, be our guest, be our guest. Our command is your request. It's been years since we've had anybody here, and we're obsessed with your meal, with your eat. Yes, indeed, we're incomplete. While the candlelights are glowing, let us help you will keep going. Course by course, one by one, till you shout enough, I'm done. And we'll send you off to sleep until digest. Do not put your feet on the floor, now let's feed our guests. Be our guests, be our guests, please be our guests. Everybody shout happy birthday, KK! Happy birthday, KK! Happy birthday, our little star KK. You might be thinking that we are the little stars right now, but no, it's KK, her family, and her friends. That's why we are calling all the little stars in the hall to come join us as we sing, dance, play, and create a lot of fun and exciting memories with KK. Hi, KK. High five, Belle. Wow, you're smiling. Hello there, KK. Are you happy? Hello, little star. How about the others? We are so excited to meet you all. Yes, indeed. And there are a lot of little stars. Happy birthday, KK. Wow, that's great. Now let me ask you, how many percent of your heart and your talents will you give KK today? From 1 to 100, who can share? How many percent will you give KK? 10. 10? I think 10,000, Cinderella. How about the others? 99. 99%. How about you, little star? 100. 1,000. 1,000. That's great, little stars. Now, is it okay for KK to sit down first together with mommy and daddy so she can watch you carefully? Yes or no? Is that okay? Yes? All right. Clap your hands for KK, everybody. Thank you so much, fun. Now, little stars, you might be wondering why I am calling you little stars today. Why not kids? Why not children? Anyone who knows? Anyone? Okay, let me ask. Who among you have seen stars up there in the sky already? Did you do stargazing already? Have you seen stars already up there? Raise your hand if yes. Wow, that's great. Can you describe the stars? Are they dark or bright? They are? Right, that's right. And I'm calling you little stars today because right now you're gonna shine the brightest in front of your families and friends with your talents. Are you ready? If yes, take a look at this magical adventure box that we've prepared for you. Take a look here, Peter Pan. Kindly show them what is inside that box. Anything that you pick from the box will take you to a Disney adventure. Wow. Now, for a start, who'd like to take a pick first? Who'd like to try? Peter Pan gets to choose. There you go. Now, as he picks, everybody shout abracadabra. Abracadabra. Wow, what is that, little star? A magic lamp. It's a magic lamp. That's right. Can you show everybody the magic lamp that you've picked? Now, did you know, little stars, that this magic lamp will take you to different places? Who is it? Jasmine. It's Jasmine, so that's right. Now, isn't it you have to rub this lamp so you can go to a whole new world? Right? Would you like to rub it? Who wants to rub the lamp? Rub the lamp. Rub the others. Rub the lamp. Good job, everybody. Rub the lamp 3 times. Good job. Another. Wow, now since that you rubbed that lamp, we are taking you to a magical carpet ride. So everybody sit down and imagine that we are riding a magic carpet together with our Disney friends. Are you ready, everybody? All right, I'm so excited. Let us take you to a whole new world. Enjoy! How do we fly on a magic carpet? Swing! Good job! Follow Ariel, everybody!
Show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendor. Tell me, princess, when will you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under on a magic carpet ride. No one to tell us now where to go or sail along the dream. A whole new world, a dazzling place never knew. But when I'm going through, it's first time now I'm in a whole new world with you. I'm in a whole new world with you. Unbelievable sights, indescribable horizons to pursue. I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far. I can't go back to where I used to be. Every turn is round. Every moment just matter. I'll chase them anywhere. There's time to spare. Let me share this whole new world with you. That's where we'll be. That's where we'll be. I want just place for you and me. Taking us to a whole new world. Now, little stars, did you enjoy that magical adventure? If yes, kindly shout, "We love you, KK!" 3, 2, 1, go! We love you, KK! Now, who's ready for the next Disney adventure? If you're ready, stand up. Let's go! Who's gonna pick this time, Peter Pan? Let's see, little stars. Take a look. Who's wanna pick? Who wants to pick? Raise your hand. Wow! Hello, fairy. Everybody shout abracadabra! Abracadabra! Oh, what's that? Oh no, what's that, little star? Anyone who knows what animal is this? Kindly show everyone. The Lion King. It's the Lion King! Good job! Now, who among you watched Lion King already? Raise your hand. Really? Do you want to go to a jungle adventure today? Yes? Okay, if yes, kindly jump 3 times. 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3! That's great! Now, if you want to join, line up behind Peter Pan, because he's gonna lead the way. As we take you to the jungle, you're gonna meet a lot of friendly animals around. Are you ready now? All you have to do is to follow Peter Pan so you can enjoy our jungle adventure. Yes, indeed. Let's sing a song from Lion King entitled "The Lion Sleeps Tonight." Enjoy, little star. Follow Peter Pan. Turn the music louder. Wow, let's jump like kangaroos. Oh, jump, oh, jump, oh, jump like a kangaroo. Oh, jump, oh, jump, oh, jump like a kangaroo. Jump like a kangaroo. Jump, very good.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
Tonight.
In the
Very good,
jungle,
little
the
stars.
mighty jungle,
Now,
the
are you ready?
lion sleeps
Let's
tonight.
fly like an eagle.
Near the village, the peaceful village, the lion sleeps tonight. Near the village, the peaceful village, the lion
Are you
sleeps
ready now?
tonight.
Rock-a-doodle-doo, very good. Wow, good dancers. Now let's be like bears. Walk like a bear, walk like a bear, walk like a bear. Doing well, let's jump like monkeys. Jump like a monkey, jump like a monkey. Very good, high five. Jump like a monkey, jump, jump, jump. Good job. Now let's dance with Peter Pan.
Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion
Are you
sleeps
all ready?
tonight.
Let's jump like frogs. Jump like a frog. Jump, jump, jump. Jump like a frog. 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 Good job, little stars. Now. Your next challenge is to wake up the sleeping lion with your loudest roar. Are you ready? You can do that, little stars. The loudest roar. Can you do it without a microphone to prove that it's loud? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! We can't hear you. 3, 2, 1, go! Good job, everybody. Now, who's
ready for the next Disney adventure? Do you still have the energy? If yes, kindly shout hooray! 3, 2, 1, go! Hooray! Wow, my energy passed! So take a look at Peter Pan's magical adventure box. Shake, 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 shake. And you gotta pick the next one. Abracadabra! What is it? I'm Jelly Heart! That's for you, little star. How about the others? Would like to try? Would like to try, little star? Another? Would like to try? Oh, pretty girl. Abracadabra! What is that? What's that? It's a chicken. Who among you little stars likes fried chicken? Raise your hand. But we will not fry this chicken today, okay? This chicken is a friend of a princess who loves sailing the ocean. And she also has a friend called Maui. Anyone who knows that? Correct! It's Moana! That's right! It's Moana now. Who among you have watched Moana the movie already? Raise your hand. Do you want to be like her? Do you want to be a voyager? Like her? Do you want to sail across the ocean? I want to be like Ariel. Like Ariel? Well, Ariel will join you, don't worry, as you sail across the ocean. So everybody sit down on the boat. Ready? Imagine that we are riding a boat. Because right now, little stars, you're going to show everybody how far can you go. If you know the song, you can sing along. Listen to the music. Wow. The ocean is calling. You want to sing with me? I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the light in the sky to see, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind on my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is fine. Everybody, let's make some waves. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island. So maybe you can go with mine. Ready, boulders? I can use my pride. I can make this strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along. For the voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? Now let's sail across the sea and follow me now. The light shines on the sea. It's blinding, and no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling up to me, so come find me and let me know. Beyond the line, I cross the line. And I can see it calls me, and no one knows how deep it goes. And the wind on my sail on the sea stays behind me. One day I'll know how far I go. Good job, Voyagers! Wow, did you enjoy that, little stars? That's great. Now, on to the last Disney adventure. Oh no, we're gonna miss the Disney adventures. Yeah. But let's make sure that we're gonna enjoy the last one. Is that okay? Let's enjoy the last one. Let's go. Come back, come back. What is that? Oh, wow! It's a clarify glasses. Anyone who knows who owns this pair of glasses? Do you know it? Who is it? Encanto. It's Encanto's who? Who among the family members of Encanto? It's Maribel. It's Mirabel. Good job. Who among you would like to wear Mirabel's eyeglasses? You want to wear it? There you go. Now, let me ask you, what is your favorite song from Encanto? Raise your hand. Raise your hand, okay? Is it We Don't Talk About Bruno? Raise your hand if you like that. How about Surface Pressure? You like that? Pressure like a drip, drip. How about What Else Can I Do? Oh, I think We Don't Talk About Bruno got the highest votes. Yes. Would you like to sing it for KK? We Don't Talk About Bruno? Yes? Okay, everybody listen to the music and let's sing We Don't Talk About Bruno. Let's try it. We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. He's already there. We're getting ready and there wasn't a cloud in the sky.
No clouds allowed in the sky.
Walks in with a mischievous grin.
Thunder.
You take the story all night.
Sorry, mi vida go on.
Bruno says it looks that way.
Why did he tell her?
So we fly to my brain.
I wanna get the umbrella.
In a hurricane.
What a joyous day.
Ready, everybody, in.
We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno.
Hey, Bruno living here, Bruno stuttering or someplace. I can always hear Bruno muttering or mumbling. I associate it with a sound of falling sand. Shh, shh, shh. It's a heavy lift with a gift so homely. Always have a umbrella and a family phone plate. Grappling with puppies if you couldn't understand. Do you understand?
7-foot frame, that's a long span. When we call your name, it all fades to black. Yeah, you see your dreams and peace on the screen.
We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. He told me my fish would die the next day.
No, no.
He told me I'd grow a gun, and just as he said that all my hair would disappear. Now look at my hair.
No, no.
Your fate is sealed in your prophecies.
Told me that the life of my dreams in this psalm and the sound that made mine. He told me didn't the power to grow like a grace that down and down.
Oh, Mariana, son is he. Told me that the man of my dreams would be just out of reach. His road to another. It's like I hear voices. It's like I hear him now. I can hear him. Bruno. Yeah, that's not Bruno. I really need to know about Bruno. You need the truth with the whole truth, Bruno. Your challenge, little stars, is to get the superstars behind your life. And they are none other than your mommies and daddies, ates and kuyas, and your titos and titas. Who can bring them here? Can you convince them to go here? Let's go! Cinderella, what awaits them if they brought their superstars here? What awaits them, Cinderella? Yes! What awaits them are the memories that they will be sharing once more for Kaylee's party. Wow! I am so excited because there are a lot of prizes, especially if the kids will be able to bring their mommies, daddies, titos, titas, and aunties here on stage. That's so easy, Cinderella. I'm sure they're gonna be able to convince their families and friends to come up here because they promised a while ago. We heard how you promised that you will make everything, do everything make our dear KK's party a meaningful and a memorable one. That's one for the books. I'm excited! Hello po, superstars and little stars! Thank you for being game the game to join us right now. I hope KK is here also together with mommy and daddy so they can enjoy this special moment from their families and friends. Yay! Ready? I'm sure that this will be so fun for everyone. That's right. Now, little stars, don't forget to come back here, little stars. Little stars, come on. You can join us as well, okay? There you go. Hi. Now, as of this moment, everybody, thank you so much for gracing us here on stage. This time, we're gonna make our dear KK feel that she is wonderful. Is that okay with you? That we love her? Yes, if yes, clap your hands! Louder! Yay! Now, KK, I hope you are watching with us. Is KK here? There you go. There she is. I'm sure you won't remember this moment forever, but remember, there are photos and videos taken that KK can watch when she grows up. Are you ready, KK? Alright, if you're ready to show how wonderful our KK is, clap your hands, everybody! KK, always remember, are you ready? Like that! Wonderful! Come on, clap your hands! Clap, clap! Good job, little star! Ready, everybody? 1, 2, 1, clap your hands! Let's go! It's gonna be a wonderful day, 'cause you got a smile on my face. It's gonna be ready? I think it's ready, right? Okay, now, before we play our same-day edit video, I would like to give away some prizes, and these are some facts about baby KK. If you know the answer, I need an extra microphone. You should come to me and kailangan bigyan niyo po sa akin ng tamang sagot. Personally, I don't know the answers. Daddy Clark here will help me out. All right, let's do this. All right, let's do this. Okay, for my first question, can you give me, it's so easy. It's so easy. Can you give me the full name and correct pronunciation
of the name of Kalia? Ayan. Come to me, come to me, come to me. Of course, the brother. The brother.
Kelia Mira Valin. Kelia Mira Valin.
Is correct. Of course, the brother. Palakpakan naman natin, syempre, alam niya. Moving on. Who can give me kung ano ang exact complete birthday ni KK? Complete exact birthday. Come on, come to me. Exact complete birthday.
21-2022.
Siyempre, tama. Tita, congrats! Moving on. Who can give me, aware ba kayo kung anong oras pinanganak si baby KK? Give chance to others, give chance to others. Anong oras pinanganak si baby KK? Come on, who can give me the correct answer? Yes, sir.
Around 4 a.m. or 5 a.m.
4 a.m. or 5 a.m. Where's mommy and daddy? Mommy and daddy can give me the correct answer. Mommy? Is it correct? No, it's not correct. Hindi siya correct. Ayan. Is it, asan ba si daddy? AM ba o PM? The clue is AM. Kaso, hindi siya 5 a.m. Hindi siya 5 a.m. Hindi siya 4 a.m. Tama? Give me the exact time. The exact time. Thank you, sir. Exact time. Come on. Lapit kayo sa akin. Come on. Mga lola, hindi niyo po alam ang oras. Exact time. Exact time. Exact time. Yes, come here. What's the time? 5 p.m. is wrong. 9 p.m. No, it's it's not 9 p.m. It's 9 a.m. It's not 9 a.m. I'm sorry. Come on, lahat ng oras sabihin nyo na. 10 a.m. is no, it's not 10 a.m. Lahat ng oras sabihin nyo na kasi basta a.m. siya. a.m. a.m. Basta a.m. siya. Come on, come on. What's the lumalapit? May sumasagot talaga siya? Ha? 8 a.m. is not correct. It's not 8 a.m. Ayan, come on. Who can steal? Yes, come here. 1 a.m. No, it's not. It's not 1 a.m. Daddy is here. Who can give me the exact time kung anong oras pinanganak si baby KK? Si Daddy ang mag-o-okay sa correct answer. Andito na si Daddy. Anong oras? Basta nung time na yon. Who can give me the correct answer? AM siya. Mali ang 1, mali ang 10, mali ang 9. Anong oras? Exact. 3? Ha? 9:05? 9:05 is the correct answer. 9:05 is the correct answer. Congratulations! Hinihingi ko exact. So it's 9:05. Who can give me naman kung ano po ang weight ni baby KK nung siya ay pinanganak? Gaano kabigat si KK nung siya ay pinanganak? Come on. Ayan. Okay lang ba kung exact or range? Range na lang daw. O, mabait si Mami. Range na lang daw. Gaano kabigat si baby? Ayan, si Sam. Matutulong to si Sam. Come on, family. How heavy? Can I have the prize? now. Come on, come on. What's the... Sir, ano po? Yung mga sagot dyan. Gaano kabigat? Range daw, range. Less than 7 pounds? Tatanggapin ko na. Less than 7. Ano ba yung kasunod ng 7? Backwards, 6. Ano? Nag-compute si mommy and daddy. Tatanggapin ko na. Malapit na ba ang 7? Congratulations! Ayan. Ayan, okay. Yes. Thank you. Okay, since mommy and daddy, they're already here. Mukhang ready na po ang same-day edit video natin. May I invite mommy and daddy to have us sit over here together with the family and baby video. Okay, this time we proceed to the part wherein mommy and daddy, I need you here. Yes, para magsayawan na tayo. Yes, it's time for us to do some dancing over here. Where is KK? Where is KK? Ayan, KK, come here. Ayan. May I call the handsome brother? Siyempre si brother. Hindi ko pa narinig magsalita. Where is Samuel? Ayan. Kuya? Where is Kuya? Andyan pa ba si Kuya? Yes. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I guess Kuya is not around. Okay, this time, why don't we pass the microphone to our beautiful parents for their final words of gratitude. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman po natin Mommy Sheila and Daddy Clark. Palakpakan naman po natin sila.
Ay. Actually, palobat na ako sa sobrang tawa ko kanina And very thankful talaga ako. I hope nag-enjoy po talaga lahat. And for sure, mag-a-agree kayo na nakita ko kanina puro nakasmile. So, actually, that is our goal. Sabi ko nga kay Kat, nung piniprepare namin to, as long as maging happy yung guest natin, so okay na kami. But, we did not expect na ganito po ka-lively, ka-good vibes, and very energetic po yung nangyari. So, thank you very much po, especially din po sa mga bata, also for the parents na nag-enjoy din. So, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta.
Ayan, Mommy Sheila.
I would like also to thank all our suppliers for the beautiful, very beautiful setup. Blooms by Sir Allen and JP, and to our photo and video, Ocali Studios. Ano pa ba? Our coordination, Aris Punsalan and company, and our lights and sounds by Quatros, cake by Kicking Giant, for my beautiful gown, J. Merlu, and KK's dress, Potion Pearls, and ano pa ba? Sino pa ba? My makeup artist, Ralph. Ralph. Asan ka? Ralph. And then, yung venue by Ma'am Noemi, headed by Ma'am Noemi. Thank you very much. And all my friends and office mates from Kaap, relatives from Bicol, and sino pa ba? And our neighbors from Mansfield, souvenirs, and also ang malaking pasasalamat sa tatlong angels namin sa bahay. Recognize yourself, Ate Bex, Ate ni KK, Ate Elsa, and Rose. Oh, stand up. Yan, thank you.
Andito pa po si Ma'am Noemi, siya po yung kausap namin, nagpapasalamat kami, talagang in-accommodate niya kami from the very beginning hanggang dito. So actually, we are very grateful. Supposed to be nasa old tayo ngayon, old venue ng Royce. But with the energetic and ni Ma'am Noemi, talagang kinonsider niya we are the very first to use this venue ng bagong Royce Hotel. So again, Ma'am Noemi, kung nandyan ka po sa gilid o nasa likod, thank you so much po. Wala po kaming masabi. Sa lahat po ng suppliers, maraming salamat po. Sana po sa susunod tayo mag-enjoy po. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Ayan. I'm not gonna go with our handsome brother, Sam. Is there anything you would like to tell KK? Palakpakan naman natin ang si Kuya, Sam.
Ito po yung anak kong si Richie Rivero. Ito pa. Ay!
Happy birthday, KK. I love you. Sana hindi magkita and
sige po.
stay healthy. Sana hindi masyado maldita and stay healthy.
So, yun po daw po eh. Richie Rivero ng buhay ko.
Palakpakan naman natin the beautiful family of KK! Ayan. Like what Mommy and Daddy said, maraming salamat po. Especially sa mga bisita na nandito ngayon. Last na lang, you deserve a big, warm round of applause, guys! Thank you so much to all of the suppliers. Blooms, O'Cali, Quality Events, Cuatros, Royce Hotel. Thank you so much. Well, I guess the night is still young. Let's dance the night away.